Warning: English emergency.
If you say this sentence in public, please sit down first.
I have 30 years old.
Oh no, not again.
Or maybe this one. Yesterday, I go to market.
Stop! My ears are hurting.
And the worst one, he don't like tea.
Grammar has left the chat.
Listen, these mistakes look small.
But they make a big difference.
People may not correct you.
But they notice.
And sometimes they judge your English.
But today is your lucky day.
Because in the next few minutes, we will fix the most common English-speaking mistakes.
In simple words.
With easy examples.
And a little bit of fun.
No difficult grammar rules.
No boring lecture.
Just clear practice that actually works.
So if you want people to say, "Wow, your English is improving,"
stay with us until the end, because mistake number 7 is the silent killer of confidence. And it might be stopping you right now.
Ready?
Let's fix your English together. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official.
Hi guys, how are you today?
I hope you are feeling great and ready to improve your English.
Yes, because today we are going to talk about something very important.
Very important and very common.
We will talk about common English speaking mistakes.
Oh yes, small mistakes, but big embarrassment.
Exactly. Sometimes we study English for years, but we still say,
I have 25 years old.
"Oh no, not again."
Don't worry. Today, we will fix these mistakes.
We will explain slowly.
We will give simple examples.
We will practice together.
So please, relax.
Take a deep breath.
And let's begin. Mistake number 1. Talking about age incorrectly. This is one of the most common mistakes. Many students say, I have 20 years old.
But that is wrong. In English, we do not use have for age.
The correct sentence is, I am 20 years old.
Repeat after me. I am 20 years old. Good.
Very good. Here are more examples. Wrong, she has 18 years old. Correct, she is 18 years old. Wrong, my brother has 10 years. Correct, my brother is 10 years old.
In simple words, age equals use am, is, or are, not have.
Very easy rule. If you remember only this, you already sound smarter. Mistake number 2. Using wrong past tense.
This mistake happens a lot. Students say, "Yesterday I go to school."
But yesterday means past, so we must use past tense. Correct sentence, yesterday I went to school.
Let's see more examples. Last night I watched a movie. Correct, last night I watched a movie. I eat biryani yesterday. Correct, I ate biryani yesterday.
Oh, biryani again.
Of course, English is easier with biryani.
True. So remember, if you use words like yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, you must use past tense.
Say this sentence. I went to the market yesterday. Very good.
Very good. Mistake number 3. Very short answers. This mistake is not grammar, but it makes your English weak.
Yes, when someone asks, "How was your day?" and you say, "Good."
That's it? Just good?
No details, no life, no energy.
Instead, say, my day was good because I finished my work. Or, my day was great. I learned new English words.
Always try to add one more sentence. Simple formula, answer plus because plus reason.
For example, question, why are you happy? Weak answer, because yes. Strong answer, I am happy because I passed my exam.
See? Very easy. Longer answers equals better English.
Mistake number 4, wrong word order. English word order is important. Many students say, she very beautiful is.
Oh no, that sounds like robot English.
Correct sentence, she is very beautiful.
In English, the basic order is subject plus verb plus object. For example, I love tea. She plays football. They watch TV.
Let's fix more wrong sentences. Wrong, I to school go every day. Correct, I go to school every day. Wrong, he happy is. Correct, he is happy.
Remember the simple rule. Subject first, verb second, then everything else.
Say with me, I speak English every day. Perfect. Mistake number 6, saying he don't like or she don't like.
This is very common. Students say, he don't like tea.
But with he, she, it, we use does. Correct sentence, he doesn't like tea.
More examples. Wrong, she don't understand. Correct, she doesn't understand. Wrong, it don't work. Correct, it doesn't work.
So remember, I, you, we, they don't. He, she, it doesn't.
Easy rule, easy fix.
Mistake number 7, translating directly from your language. This is a big problem. Many students think in their language and translate directly.
For example, I am coming in 5 minutes. But you're not moving.
Correct, I will come in 5 minutes.
Another example, open the light. Correct, turn on the light.
English has its own style, so don't translate word for word. Learn phrases, learn natural sentences. Mistake number 7, being afraid to speak. This is not grammar, but this is the biggest mistake, fear.
Many students think, my English is not perfect, so they don't speak.
But listen carefully. Perfect English is not important. Speaking English is important.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
If you wait to become perfect, you will wait forever.
Start speaking today. Make mistakes, laugh, learn, improve.
Now, we will practice together. Repeat after James. I am learning English every day. I went to the market yesterday. She is very smart. He doesn't like coffee. My day was great because I studied.
Excellent. You are improving already.
Funny mini conversation. Lima, how old are you?
I have 25 years old.
Oh no, mistake number 1.
Okay. I am 25 years old.
Good. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I go to shopping.
Again wrong.
Yesterday, I went shopping.
Perfect. See guys, mistakes are normal. Fix them and move forward. Final advice.
If you want to improve fast, speak daily, even 10 minutes.
English content. Listen to podcasts. Read simple books.
And most important, practice speaking out loud, not in your mind, out loud.
Your mouth needs exercise too.
If you learned something new today, write one correct English sentence in the comments.
Yes, don't write only nice video. Write a full sentence. For example, I am improving my English with Smart English Official.
Also, tell us which mistake was your biggest problem.
And if you enjoyed this episode, like the video, share it with your friends,
Subscribe to Smart English Official.
and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
We upload daily, so your English improves daily.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep speaking English. See you in the next episode. Bye!